Yo, what is up, hustlers? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you all my dividend investment portfolio and talk about each stock that I own. I am only 20 years old, so I do have compound interest on my side and plan on adding to this portfolio over the next 10, 20, 30 years. So let's get started. I want to talk about a few companies that I value a lot and will put most of my money into. So to start off, let's talk about Realty Income, ticker symbol O. This is a REIT, also known as a real estate investment trust company. I do think Realty Income is an absolute buy right now. I currently have 15 shares at an average cost of $48.53. I am up on this investment by $63 currently. The dividend yield for this company is at 5.59%. I do see them coming out of this pandemic and being able to continue their payments for the long run. Realty Income is a dividend aristocrat, which means that they have been paying their dividends for over 25 years. 25 years. That's a long time. I do see them coming out of this pandemic pretty healthy and being able to continue paying its shareholders. Next, let's talk about my favorite dividend stock, AT&T, ticker symbol T. AT&T is also a dividend aristocrat and currently has a dividend yield of 7.35%. I do think that in the long run, AT&T has growth potential once 5G comes out. A lot of investors are scared of a dividend cut because AT&T is in a load of debt, but I do think that they will have a lot of revenue coming in from HBO and other products that they have for consumers, that they will be able to continue paying their dividends in the long run. I will continue personally buying T stock around the $30 range, as I would like to ride out the gains when everything's back to normal. I do plan on accumulating over 100, 200 shares, as a dividend payout ratio is amazing. Next, let's talk about the most undervalued dividend stock in my portfolio, in my opinion. Walgreens Boots Alliance, ticker symbol WBA. This is another dividend aristocrat that is currently yielding 4.77%. I will continue to add more shares of WBA. I currently have 14 shares. I would like to get that up to the 50 through 100 shares range, as I believe WBA is extremely undervalued. If you look at the 5-year chart, WBA was once a $95 through $100 stock and has been a bit of a free fall since. I do think that the pandemic has benefited them, as their revenue should shoot up given that they are an essential business. Finally, let's talk about one more stock before I wrap up, aka AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. AbbVie is a pharmaceutical giant, and I believe that they will eventually hit the $120 range due to their recent acquisition of Allergy. I currently own 10 shares and would love to accumulate more. AbbVie is also a dividend aristocrat, yielding 5.2%. I think this is a big buy, and most people sleep on AbbVie despite its high dividend yield. That should be all for today, folks. I want to start this channel for those who want to see my progress. Let's call this journey the Hustler Movement. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and join the Hustler Movement. I can't wait to talk to you all more about my investment journey. If you would like to know more, follow me on Instagram at Equity Hustle. The link will be in the description. I do post about my thoughts for free on there, so you can all learn more. If you'd like to sign up for Robinhood, there is a link in my description that will get you and I both a free stock. So I think that's pretty cool. Thank you for tuning in, hustlers. I'll see you all soon. Don't forget, follow the Hustler Movement.